Sarah Stovetop here, and I'm about to make some roasted red pepper sauce with fire roasted tomatoes in it. I had a couple of jars of the Trader Joe's fire roasted peppers, red peppers, and I had a can of the diced and fired roasted peppers with green chilies in it, and see if my blender, my cooking blender, will cook up a good sauce for me. And this is a sauce that I'll use to top kind of anything, I guess. I'm thinking about it for like eggs or frittatas. So let's give it a try. I've got my cooking blender, and of course you know it does have the heated puree setting. That's what we're going to be using. So let's get started pretty quickly. I think we're just going to add the roasted red peppers, and I've already drained them, and they're just straight from the jar. And cup of the roasted tomatoes, and it gave me about a half a cup of the liquid, and that's about what I want, because you do want some liquid in here. So I'm just going to pour that back in. Next time I'll know I don't have to drain the tomatoes. So we're going to do that, and then I also wanted to add, I thought some garlic would be good. Do the garlic. I've got my garlic peeler. I'm just going to put the unpeeled garlic inside and roll it, and then it takes the peel off. So how easy is that? It comes in a set with a garlic slicer, which I think is an awesome other tool. Okay, and there we go. And this can just go straight into our sauce here. Okay, so that's really all I'm gonna do. I figure I will figure out the seasonings, if it needs anything additional, after I'm done turn it to the heated puree setting, and it'll get it up to 212 degrees, so it'll be boiling. And then we're just going to press it. There it goes. And it'll do this as it heats up. Back and forth. Okay, so it's done. It's been beeping at me. It says end on it. And let's check it out. I'm going to press cancel, turn it off. I'm going to take it off of the base and up to 210 degrees, which is really hot and definitely boiling. You could see it boiling. So let's see what it looks like here. Ooh, steamy. Can you see inside there? Let's take a taste. So it's still boiling a little bit, and it's still really, really hot. It's flavorful. Got a little bit of a kick to it with those chilies in it. Ooh, I think it would be good. And if you don't like the chilies, of course, you can just use regular roasted tomatoes. I'm trying to think if I would want to add anything. It's got a little bit of a kind of a tartness to it, so you could add some sugar to cut down on that. Whenever you're cooking, you have to be careful when you add sugar, just because it can burn. But I don't think with the tomatoes in here it's going to be a problem in the cooking blender. It's delicious. It'll make a great topping for eggs or for chicken, or even with pasta. I can see it on rice. I can see it kind of on anything. I might add this. I have some cauliflower soup that I made the other day. I might add this to it to change up the flavor profile of the cauliflower soup, because you know it will take on any flavor that you give it. So it's gonna be fun. So bon appetit.